Welcome to my channel once again. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and then hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop any of our videos in the future. Today's video is on how to start a contact gain group on WhatsApp and then how to make some money out of them. In order not to waste much time here, let's quickly start from WhatsApp and then we will consider going to Telegram as well. So we'll be using WhatsApp and then Telegram. So let's start on WhatsApp, how to run a contact gain group there and then try to make some money out of it. You open your WhatsApp app as usual and then you create a new group, right? You create a new group. At the center, I actually clicked on this part. Then a new group. And then you select some few people. For me, I have kids. That is actually myself there to be part of my group. You choose a name of your group. Now, in choosing the name of a group, you have to decide. It has to have something like contact. I mean, the title, the subject of the group should speak a bit about what the group is about. So you should speak about the group itself so that you won't have to waste like much effort, put a lot of effort into describing what the group is to the people. The subject alone should do a lot of the talking. So you choose tutorial contact game. Tutorial contact game. That is okay. Or tutorial status views. Then you choose. Here I don't have any pick in mind, so you just pick something. Okay, this one. Okay, then you click on create. Now my group is ready. Let's make a few adjustments to the group. First thing is that you don't want a lot of people to be sending messages to the group, so you go to group settings. You hit this part, then you go to group settings. Now you make sure that you are the only person who can edit the group info, all information about the group. So you change it to admin, only admins. And then all participants who send messages, no, you should be the only person. Simple. With the group settings down, now you have to add a group description. Let's talk about what the group is. So you hit on that, say this is a group to that is dedicated to helping you get more views on your WhatsApp status. Read instructions. Read and follow. From the admin to get added to the contact file. We do this by creating and distributing VCF files to verified members. Okay, we don't have to get notice the files. All the best. Let's add something very simple description about the group. And it hits that. You are now done. Now you invite people to this group and then you give them instructions. But before you do that, you should be certain about the task that you want people to do before you add them to the file. We already know how to create contact files. If you've forgotten, the link to that video will be dropped in the description of this video as well. So you go back there and then watch how to create contact files, and then you can hit on all the other videos in this playlist to get all the videos related to creating VCL files and then creating contact gain groups on WhatsApp and Telegram, and then getting some money out of it. So you have to decide on the tasks that you want the people to do. First, you have to let these people help you in advertisement. So the first task is that they post the message with the link on your their start actually on your status, and send a screenshot after some number of views. After 10 views, okay, send your name. So this should be 2 actually, and this should be 3. One thing you must not forget is that you must always make them save your contact. So the first one is save my contact as tutorials, right? Mr. Tutorials. Let's give a title to this message actually. So this one will be how to get verified. Simple as that. How to get verified. So simple. You want to have this in the group before adding members so that they won't see us while we're doing this. So how to get verified. 1. Save my contact as Mr. Tutorials. 2. Post the message with the link on your status and send a screenshot after 10 views. Send your name. That's all. So every individual that you are adding to the contact file is supposed to do this thing. They are supposed to save your contact, post the message with the link to your status, on their status, and then send a screenshot to you after 10 views, and then they send their name so that you add them. Now you have to create a message. The message is, okay, do you wish to increase your status views in order to boost your business popularity, etc? If yes, join the group below to get added to VCF files that helps boost your views from 0 to 1,000 in just a week for free. That is it. And then you go to copy your link. So invite via link, right? And then you copy your link, you add it to that message. So you're asking them to join this group. Okay, you have to be creative a bit. That is the message. Simple. So everyone who wants to get verified will have to send this message, post it on their status, send a screenshot after 10 views, then you add them. What this does is that it actually helps you to get new members into the group, right? It helps you to get new members into the group, and then once they join, you actually give them this text as well. Now you have to post this, the first one. You have to post the first message. After that, you post this one. The first message, then this one, so that they will get the message that you want them to post. Another thing is that you can advertise this. You can advertise this on any WhatsApp TV that you know is very popular. You pay for ads, they run the ads for you, then a lot of people will join your group. Okay, ads for you, a lot of people will join your group. If you want to do any of such things, and then you are wondering which type of WhatsApp TV or which channel to advertise your group, you can hit us up on WhatsApp, and then we will help you identify the most effective ones, and then we can actually do it for you ourselves at a very low cost, provided you are using the link in the description, which has our name attached to it. Now, another thing you can do is that you increase the number of views that they are supposed to get, but you will have to be very careful, because that may in one way or the other kill the group. If the task is too much, people tend to run away. So you don't have to forget that part as well. And then the link. Now, posting this thing in the group, these two messages in the group can be annoying to the members. So you can just try to be very creative. Instead of sending the messages to the group, you'll be like, please send ad to me privately to get added to the, say something like this. Now, once the people read this, they are not seeing this thing every day, right? They are saying something, they've seen something like this. Okay, this is new. So you are asking them to send ad to you. Once they send the ad to you, then you send this to them privately. So imagine someone like Kofi sends ad, which is a request to get added to the file. Then you tell Kofi to get added to the file, you need to save my contact as Mr. Tutorials. Kofi will probably do that. Then you send this link to Kofi and then you ask Kofi to post this on the start, and then very, very simple manual. This may be tiring, but then it prevents you from losing a lot of group members who think that you are annoying, you are sending the whole message. When it's group admin to send messages only, people get annoyed seeing the same message over and over again. So to avoid that, you have to change your tricks, like send this emoji, then you send the fire emoji to get added to the file. Then you can add prompts like file drops tomorrow. Please send to get added. Now this is more effective because people now have a date when the file is coming up, so they will just come out and then join you. Now if you want a link on how to import contacts files from VCF, there is a link on that in the description of this video as well. So you can just copy that and then grab it and then send it to your members in case they're having troubles. They're having problems in importing the contact files. You just send the link to them, help them watch the video, and then ask them to subscribe to our channel, because we actually need that as well to motivate us to keep doing a great job that we are doing. So that is all about your WhatsApp something. To start on WhatsApp, that is just the coolest tricks that you can do with them. You can just now, the other part of this video will be how to run this same contact gain group on Telegram. How to do this thing on Telegram. We've done it on WhatsApp, it's much easier, but then on Telegram it's somehow a very different story, and it is a bit easier there. So you open your Telegram app, you already know how to use it. I'm using Telegram X actually, the other one is for business. So you open your Telegram app. Okay, then you create your group, and then you make some few settings as well. So new group, and then the name of the group, you choose someone. I am rented me, so let's add someone else. Okay. So tutorials actually. Now let's make some changes to the group. So first let's look at the permissions. Let's make the group public actually. That's the first part. So click on this edit. You edit the group, and then you make the group public so that people can search for the group and then join. Search for the group and join. So the group name should be tutorials status views. Proceed. Now our group is public. Giving instructions here, like asking people to post on their stats and sending a screenshot, stuff like that. That one should be limited to WhatsApp. Over here, there is a tool, a bot that can help you do that. There's a bot that can help you do that. It is very simple to configure and use. So you won't have to say anything. Be like, okay, just drop your contact, like send your contact and name to get added to the file. Very simple, just something like this. But then there is this bot that you can configure to force people to send a message or subscribe to your channel or add members to the group before they can send a message to the group. And that is very, very cool. It's very, very cool. So the name of that bot is the group boost something, I suppose. This is it, the group boost. You hit on start and you add it to your group. This is my group, added. Now you go there and then make it an admin of the group. Promote to admin. Select change before you put that off, and that is all. Now this is part of our group now. So you hit on this part, member booster. Then it will give you all the commands, right? You have all the commands there, you said. All the commands. So if you want the people to add 10 members or 15 members to be able to send the message, you just hit this command, IMAX 10, right? That is all you are done. Wait for the group, the bot to pick it up, and then that is all. If you want to disable that too, there is a command for it, IMAX 0. It means they don't have to add anyone to be able to send a message. Right? Okay, you want me to enable it, so I activate. So IMAX 10, let's do 20. The value of first add was set to 20. What this means is that any new member who wants to send a message will have to add 20 people to the group before they can send a message. You have to add 20 people to the group before they can send a message. You can change that number anytime you want. You can change that number anytime you want. IMAX 70. It means you have to add 70 people. Then 5. So you have to adjust the number in such a way that the people won't feel so bad, like won't see so much of a stress or like something like that. Then you can share. Initially, you can place ads, something like that. Copy link. Now let's try with a new account. Actually, I have lots of accounts. So this is my new account. I want to join this group. Paste. This is it. Join. Now I am part of this group. Suppose I'm a new member and I want to send a message. Hi. Now the bot will tell me that yes, you need to add 5 of your contacts to the group, then you can send a message. So I can't send my contact and then my name until I've added these 5 people. As people keep adding in order to send their names, you keep getting more members to join the group, and then keeps increasing. Now the rest of this part is just like the others that you've been doing on WhatsApp and then stuff like that. You just simple. You ask them to send their names and stuff like that. The bot will force them to add members to the group. After that, when they add and send the names, you save the contacts and then you convert it to VCL files and then you send it to them. So simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new, we advise that you subscribe to our channel and then hit the notification bell, like this video, share with your friends. If you are having any kind of problems or something like that, do well to share with us in the comment section. We will answer them. If you're having any suggestions and stuff like that, please don't hesitate to contact us via the links in the description of the video. Bye bye.